I'm 51. I probably had. My husband gave me 2 shots.
The only reason is that I walk into that place, and they were saying, "Sing happy birthday." It's your 51st birthday, and it was my birthday today too. So everybody celebrated.
Not another charge. You understand me?
You just got assault on a peace officer. Congratulations. I don't think she ever actually went unconscious. I think she was fake. Because when I did that sternum rub, that's when she woke up. So.
Calm down. Drink water.
Sweetheart, it's my birthday. I'm 51. I probably had. My husband gave me 2 shots.
The only reason is that I walk into that place, and they were saying, "Sing happy birthday." It's your 51st birthday, and it was my birthday today too. So everybody celebrated.
My husband gave me 2 shooters.
Don't worry.
So you don't know? No.
Airport.
Okay.
I know exactly where I'm
Where are you
at.
heading to?
I probably got here very early in the morning,
Okay.
and now I'm probably very late.
Okay. Have you had anything to eat today?
Yes.
How long ago was that?
I had like some. What I eat? Some peanuts, right? Are you serious?
I gotta make sure you're good, and right now,
Sir?
Just make sure that black dude doesn't get on you.
Yeah.
Because that's dangerous.
That's not going to happen.
I know what
We
you're
got
trying to do.
and I gotta make sure you're good.
I'm good. I'm good.
Right now, it's gonna be hard.
Okay, what are you gonna do with me then?
Well, right now, what we're gonna do is you're gonna be placed under arrest for public intoxication. Okay? So put your hands behind your back. I think you're a danger to yourself, and that's that. You have that right.
I have to go a little tight on this left one. I better watch out.
Public intoxication under Texas Penal Code Section 49.02 is a Class C misdemeanor punishable only by a fine of up to $500. The statute is narrow. Intoxication alone is not a crime. The state must prove the person was intoxicated in a public place to a degree that may endanger the person or another. That danger element is the entire case. Without an articulable risk to the subject or to others, the arrest collapses, regardless of how impaired the person appears. A common question is whether an officer may take someone into custody for an offense that carries no jail time. The answer is yes. In Atwater versus City of Lago Vista, decided in 2001, the Supreme Court held that the Fourth Amendment does not forbid a warrantless, custodial arrest for a minor fine-only offense so long as the officer has probable cause. The officer therefore had discretion between a citation and a custodial arrest. Choosing custody on these facts was lawful.
Well, another one for the record.
Stand here. Hey, stand.
Fuck you.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, fuck you.
Okay.
That was fine. You're doing nothing wrong. You motherfucking.
Hey, we're not gonna do that. You do that again,
not
you're going to the ground. You understand me? That's fine. You can hit
not
me all you
kick.
want.
What would you do
You start
to
kicking,
me?
we're gonna put you on the
I
ground.
just
Okay?
wanna go home.
You start kicking, we'll put you on the ground.
I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay, we're gonna.
Oh, let's get the drunk girl. Do whatever you want. Keep walking.
We'll go get you in a second.
Hey, don't do anything there. Don't do anything there. I don't know what you're saying, man. We don't need you. You're good.
We'll come get you for your phone back. I know. We'll get you in a minute, dude. We'll deal with something.
Stop.
Okay, keep
Don't pull away.
We're gonna walk over here.
You hurt my head.
Okay.
Real man, all right? I just want to go home. I just want to go home.
748, you have traffic for us?
Big man right now, right?
Okay.
You.
Do not do that. Do not do
Got
that.
another charge. You understand me?
You just got assault on a peace officer. Congratulations.
You understand?
You just got assault on a peace officer. Stand back up. We're going to the car. Do that again. You're going to go to the ground again. Do not do that. Stop. Stop.
Get up.
Stand up.
Get up.
Stay standing. Do not do that again.
I'm not the other door.
Do not go down to the ground again. Just walk, okay?
I can't walk.
You can walk.
I might need something to do. I might need something to do.
Just walk to the car. You can do it. We're almost there.
Stand up. Keep walking. Well, if you wouldn't, it wouldn't hurt so bad.
I'm not trying to hurt you. I just want to go. I
Stand up. Don't grab your clothes real quick.
Do not kick again, okay? You already caught a charge. Don't make it worse for yourself.
The use of force is governed by Graham versus Connor, decided in 1989. Under that standard, force is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, not with hindsight. Courts weigh the severity of the offense, the immediacy of any threat, and whether the subject is actively resisting. Here, the underlying offense was minor, which cuts against any heavy use of force, but active resistance and the safety risk of an unsteady, combative subject in a crowded terminal way the other way. The most consequential legal moment is the physical contact with the officer. Texas law offers two very different paths. Under Section 22.01, causing bodily injury to a peace officer who is lawfully performing a duty is a second-degree felony, punishable by up to 20 years. Under Section 38.03, resisting arrest requires only the use of force against an officer and is a Class A misdemeanor. Two features of the resisting statute deserve emphasis. First, it does not require that the underlying arrest be lawful. By statute, it is no defense that the arrest was unlawful. Second, the choice between felony assault and misdemeanor resisting rested with the officer and the prosecutor, not with the statute. Electing the lesser charge was an exercise of discretion that favored the subject.
Stop.
We'll just cut her down right here. We don't worry about taking her off.
Stop.
Oh my God! I love this girl. I love my life.
Okay, we're good.
All right, go ahead and stand in the car, okay?
It hurts.
Get into the car. Look, you can sit in or I can lift you, all right? But you gotta get in the car. Thank you.
I
Sit up in the seat. Hey, sit up in the seat.
Do you want me to help you sit up, man?
Well, we need you to sit up. You can't ride like this. We need you to sit up. Since you ain't gonna sit up.
I can't sit up, Kimmy!
Do you want me to
try to sit up like this.
Do you want me to help you sit up, ma'am?
Yes,
All right. I'm gonna pull your arm, okay? Ready?
I can't.
1, 2, 3, and sit up. You're not gonna do it? All right.
I'm trying.
See what now?
She threw something out of the bag inside. That's what I was trying to say.
Oh,
And I got pee all over my hands.
disgusting. Did she get you good or no?
We're going to be in for E8. We're going to be in for E8.
Did she kick you good or no?
She kind of caught my back inside of my leg, but it wasn't like a full connection.
Just gonna do resisting or just?
Oh, resisting, yeah.
Okay.
I'm not going to worry about it. So.
All right. Yeah, you're good.
Man, I told you, you saw we were dealing with something. I was trying to.
Parking's almost gone.
Okay, well, right now there's nothing I can do. I'm doing something. So it's pretty serious now. Somebody took his bag.
Okay, if you need to call 911, go ahead and call 911 in there, and they'll get an officer to you. Okay? We're dealing with something else right now.
My GPS at the bottom.
Did you hear what I said? Yeah? Did you hear what I said? I said go inside. You can call 911. An officer will come to you. All right? I don't know what that is.
Is it? Ain't one of my customers, is it?
Maybe.
I don't know.
I hope not.
No, it's no. It's well, it's got to be fine.
That's deep.
That is you. I haven't been here so long, man. I forgot.
What kid in the bar or something? What's the last thing? You make sure she's not on a flight.
If she's on a flight, it'd be Holzer.
Intoxication.
He's unresponsive.
Hey, wake up!
Hey,
Wake up!
wake up.
Get it up. Get it up.
48 inches and then out.
48 years in the back.
All right, let's lift her up.
Yeah, that's what you did.
Okay, sit just back in there. Can you sit up, man?
That's what you did.
We're trying to sit right here.
I hate you. Why would you do this? Why would you do this?
Come here.
Man, you gotta sit over there. Shoot. Good luck to you, sir. Take care.
Hey, please,
Will do. Will do.
Did you find the driver's license or anything?
No, I did not.
No.
Didn't find that dude. Just that name on the pill bottles. That's all I got.
Okay, that's what he's having. We are.
Oh,
It was tucked under.
South Carolina.
40 yards right by the river.
Do you understand what that little you clapping at the how you
You're fine. You're fine. Drown like you said. Okay. That's it.
So I don't think.
More big.
Why'd you hurt her?
Oh, well.
So
She's
gonna be.
yeah, I don't think she ever actually went unconscious. I think she was fake. Because when I did that sternum rub, that's when she woke up. So. Yeah.
One further legal duty applies once a person is in custody. The arresting agency assumes responsibility for that person's medical welfare. Assessing consciousness and distinguishing genuine distress from feigned unresponsiveness is part of that duty. A missed medical emergency can expose both the individual and the agency to grave consequences.
Getting mileage 15890, 15890. Returns 1 ready.
The grades follow from this analysis. The arresting officer earns a B+. He built the danger element through deliberate questioning, warned before each escalation, and declined the available felony in favor of the lesser charge. Audible profanity from officers is the principal deduction. The subject earns a D+. Heavy impairment explains but does not excuse conduct that converted a fine only. Offense into independent criminal exposure for resisting. The credit she retains is narrow. No weapon, no flight, and no serious injury. The department earns a B. Coordinated, graduated, and welfare conscious, with professionalism gaps that keep it from a higher mark. 2 lessons stand out from this encounter. For anyone detained, even wrongly, the law rewards compliance and later litigation. Using force against an officer creates a fresh crime that stands entirely on its own, independent of whether the original arrest was valid. For law enforcement, this footage models the safe path probable cause first. Warnings before force. Force kept proportional to the resistance encountered, and charging restraint when a lesser offense fits the facts. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.